The question is this: what are the different ways that you can add files to your Google Drive? And I'm going to show you the different ways in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button. I create all of this for you. So let's take a look at the basic steps for uploading files to your Google Drive. Typically, what I recommend you do is you be in the folder that you want to be in. View it, the main window in Drive, be in the folder that you want to put the files into. That for me is the best way to do it. Then when I hit plus and I do file upload, I can go to the folder on my computer that has the content, click on that document and hit open. And it will upload that file into that folder in Google Drive. Point of interest, you want to pay attention to your settings, because there is a setting in Google Drive where you can convert the uploads to a Google Docs format, or you can turn that off and not convert. So if you turn that off and you upload a Word file, it'll stay a Word file. Excel will stay Excel, PowerPoint will stay PowerPoint, etc., etc. I'm a Google Drive guy, Google Docs guy, so I convert all of mine for the most part. You can turn it on and off at different times. Now, another thing you can do is if you want to upload a file here, you can go to plus and you do file upload, and you can click on multiple files at a time. By clicking the first one and hold command or hold control and click on two of them and hit upload or open, and look, it's opening and uploading two files into this folder. One more feature you can do with plus new is you can do folder upload. So you click on folder upload and you can go to find the subfolder that has the folder you want to upload, view that subfolder, click on that folder and hit upload, and then confirm you want to do that and that you trust this site, and it will create that folder in the folder you're viewing, and then it will upload, as it's done already, all of the files in that folder that you uploaded. Now let me show you the other way of uploading files to your Google Drive. Again, go to the folder that contains that is the folder where you want to put those documents. Now go to Windows Explorer or go to Apple Finder. So I'm in Apple Finder. Go find the files that you want to upload. Now I can click on one at a time, and I can click and hold on to it and drag it and drop it in that folder. And you can see it's uploading that one item, and there it is right there. Or you can go select multiple files, select them all, click and hold on to it and drop it, and it'll upload all of the files that you had selected. Again, because I have convert on, it's converting all of those as it's uploading them. Now one more test. I can also go to Windows Explorer or Apple Finder. I can click on the folder that I want to upload, hold on to that, and drag and drop that whole folder, and it will upload the folder and all of the files in that folder to the folder that I am in. It takes a little longer to do a folder, and then you'll see there's the folder and there's all the files that I just dropped on top of the Google Sheet Stuff folder. So there's two primary ways to upload files to Google Drive. Number one is use the new button and get file after file, one file, two files at a time, or get an individual folder all at once. Or go to Windows Explorer or Mac Finder and click and select either file, files, or folders and drop them on the window on top of Google Drive. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope these ideas are helpful for you.